Welcome to the CryptoNest. So render, let's do a small follow-up. On my last video, I was saying, as you can see the chart, I was hoping that we would do this fourth wave here. Unfortunately, we never made that. And yeah, what can I do now? I can just do something like this. Then, so still this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a third, the fourth, and actually reach our fifth one. Also, this descending triangle, so we are, actually this is a bullish pattern, so I am expecting price to reverse and go up eventually. Also, as you can see, we did reach the 1.618 of this corrective movement. We went a little bit lower once again, no problem. This is the wave A to wave C proportion. As you can see, we were at the 0.6, we went to the 0.786, almost touched the 1-to-1 ratio. That would be the ideal one, ideal level. Can we keep going a little bit lower? Yes, we can, and we have quite of room still, up to 95 cents. We are still pretty much bullish. What do we need? What level can we say that after that it starts to be a little bit more risky? Well, definitely below 95 cents it starts to be risky, and 70 cents it's like we're in trouble. Also, if I do this corrective movement, right? But this, let me see here. So this is the corrective movement of this 5-way up, right? So we are still on track. If you look at long term, price is looking good for the moment. I did acquired more render in this 2-3 days sale, and as you can see, we are into the oversold area. So now price could and should go and start and reverse. Now we can see that for like many times price was RSI was lower. So here it was 22, here was 26. Today we are 26. So comparing 26 price with this one, as you can see, I'm going to take this one. I also even, who cares? Well, if I go here, we would be almost the same price, right? If I go here, because this anyway was on a downtrend and this was the end, so I'm going to take these levels here. So I'm going to take not even the lowest one, like 42 cents. Now we are $1.40. So hello, to me this is big time bullish. Now you can see that we have plenty of room now to skyrocket, and once again, not a lot of time when we see those kind of things, it looks very small. Let's see proportional though. The proportion of this impulsive movement, what was the, yeah, so you can see it's 207%. So when you zoom out, it looks nothing, but it's quite of something. So once again, from the low to this little peak, price went up 200%. Same value in RSI, but we are way higher now. And let me also calculate that. So since the low of that value and up to now, we are 350% up. So I'm not seeing any bearish here. I'm actually happy. I had the chance to get some more render at very nice price, nice levels, nothing to freak me out. So ideal reversal area touched. Descending triangle, bullish pattern, good. Oversold, good. So I don't know. I have some friends, and I can read some message on social media that people are freaking out. Me, I'm just seeing so many opportunities. Yes, we did lose DMA 200, but you know, sometimes we lose it, and after eventually we gain back this level, so nothing to worry about it. So I would say if you really believe in render, this is another nice area to another nice accumulation area or level. As you can see, I did the triangle, so it's everything went as planned or scheduled, I would say, unless you know we do lose the 95 cents, but for now, you know, price is kind of holding well, doing structurally what it was supposed to do. We had a momentarily weak down that it did fail. I agree, it did look scary, but once again we have levels here, and we know that that's a possible target. It can go, so nothing off chart. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm happy. I for sure this is not financial advice, but it's nice time to buy if you have money and you believe in stocks or crypto that you are following, and you find at the end of the day, you know, if you do your homework and you put a strategy and you're able to analyze the price action, well, drops like that, I mean, since here I did tell you guys this was end of May, we're going to have a corrective moment, and then we actually add, and I did tell you this is the A. Now I'm expecting a reversal in price, and so we add the B, and then after I did tell you we should go around these levels, and now we are at those levels. So why would I be scared? I call it here that we would go and start the corrective movement for sure. I'm not sure, and I cannot tell you price is going to stop here. No, that's nonsense. Ideally, price would go here. Now, this time we're lucky, it did reach this price. It could have stopped before. That's why I do these triangles, right? So you get a little bit when you reach these levels, and if you continue to go lower, well, we reach the 0.5, so I get a little bit more. Now, we did reach the 0.618, so I got a little bit more. And here, I'm going to get more. And for sure, if we go below that, maybe, or even below this level, then maybe I am going, because if we go much lower, I'm going to invest way more. But if we break the support of the 0.786, I'm going to leave a little bit of room. But if we go below this too low, let me put the trend line here, horizontal line. But for sure, if I'm going to leave some room, but if we lose this support here, I'm going to get out, because we don't know where it's going to go after, right? More likely it's going to go back to 40 cents, and I don't want to go there. But anyway, so this is don't want to repeat myself, so I'm not scared. I got some more, not financial advice, but no, pretty much there are pretty much deal outside for the moment. As you can see, weekly, yeah, it was really red. Rune, it really outperformed. And daily, as you can see, it's very good. And I'm going to do another video on Rune, because I realized my chart was not good, and actually was dead. That's why, yeah, it stopped updating, I think, last year. So my bad. Alright, so this is pretty much all for render for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And have a good weekend.